Hello, everybody. Once again, welcome back to PolicyX.com. Today, we are going to talk about New India Assurance Company Limited, which is a multinational general insurance company headquartered in Mumbai. The company has offices in over 27 countries through different channels. आज बात करेंगे न्यू इंडिया हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस के बारे में. Well, let us then take a look at the key features. Number 1. Network Hospital. New India Health Insurance offers cashless health insurance at more than 2,500 network hospitals. Number 2. Market share. As per IRDAI Annual Report 2019 to 2020, New India's annual gross premium is Rupees 9,381.78 crores. Number 3. Solvency ratio. IRDAI has made it mandatory for all the insurers to have a healthy solvency ratio of at least 1.5. Solvency margin 150%. The solvency ratio of the company currently stands at 2.1 that fulfills the standard set by IRDAI. Claim support within 3 months. As per IRDAI's latest annual report 2019 to 2020, currently the company's claim support ratio stands at 91.99%. आइए अब देखते हैं कि कंपनी क्या-क्या कवर नहीं करती. Let us take a look at the exclusions which are equally important to be understood. Injury due to war, invasion, or participation in hazardous activities, cost of dentures, spectacles and hearing aids unless specified, cosmetic treatment, suicide or self-inflicted injury. ये तो थे कंपनी के exclusions. अब बात करते हैं claim settlement के बारे में. इंश्योरेंस लेने का बेसिक पर्पस होता है कि समय पे ज़रूरत के समय आपका क्लेम सेटल हो जाए. Well, for that, you need to understand the following steps. Number 1. Intimate the company. Company को timely बताना. In case of planned hospitalization, you need to inform 48 hours before hospitalization or immediately during the injury or illness. In case of emergency hospitalization, the company needs to be intimated within 24 hours. Well, after hospitalization, you must ensure that you have all the original documents. After discharge from the hospital, the following documents need to be submitted within 7 days. Bill receipt and discharge certificate from the hospital, cash memo from the hospital chemist supported by proper prescription, receipt and pathological test report from pathologist supported by the note from the attending medical practitioner, surgeon recommending such pathological tests, and the pathological. Surgeon's certificate stating the nature of operation performed and surgeon's bill and receipt. Attending doctors or consultant or specialist or anesthetist bill and receipt, and certificate regarding diagnosis. In the case of post-hospitalization, documents need to be submitted within 7 days of the treatment date. After the verification is done, the company will settle the claim. Well, that was all about New India Health Insurance. Thank you so much for staying tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. And remember, you need to stay safe, you need to be secure, your family needs to be secured, you need to be insured. Stay tuned with PolicyX.com for more such interactive and inquisitive content. Have a great day ahead.